Brian Sensei here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Copilot within your Word documents. Copilot is now built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and it's available to anyone with a personal or business subscription to Microsoft 365. Let's check it out. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is launch Microsoft Word desktop version here. And I'm going to start a blank document. Now, what you'll notice here, this is new. At the top, you're going to see options for using Copilot. Here we have 3 suggestions for getting started, or you can click into this field and type in what you would like to draft. If you don't want to use any of this, you can click the More menu here and you can close Copilot. Additionally, you can click the microphone icon to use speech to text. I'm going to go ahead and use this option. Can you help me draft a contract for instructors teaching at my School of Rock? And I'll go ahead and click Send. And boom shakalaka, just like that, I have a nice draft of an instructor contract. Down at the bottom, I can keep this writing, I can regenerate, or I can delete it. I'm going to go ahead and keep this. And of course, I have the ability to go through here and make adjustments. I can add things, delete things, rewrite them, etc. For example, here I need the School of Rock name, so I can go ahead and type that in. And down here where it talks about compensation, I can go ahead and write in that amount here. Some other things you can do is you can go ahead and open up Copilot, make sure you're on the Home tab, and then all the way off to the right, you'll see the Copilot button here. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and this opens up a standard interface for Copilot Gen AI. And you can see here we can type in a prompt, and down here we have some suggested prompts, and we can click See More to get even more prompt ideas. Now, what's cool about this sidebar is you can make your questions relevant to this document that you have open. So for example, maybe I want an image to go with this document. Create an image that aligns with the content on this document. The image should be in the shape of a wide banner to place at the top. I'll go ahead and click Send. All right, and we can see here that Copilot is going to work to create an image that aligns with the content on this specific document. And he says here the banner will feature a modern classroom scene with music instructors and students, various instruments, and creative yet professional elements. All right, now let's look at another example. This time, I'm going to go ahead and open up an existing file. And so here I have a document called About the Rock Band School. This is a Word document. Go ahead and open this up. And you can see there's a lot of text here in this document. And so we can do things with Copilot. I'll go ahead and open it up again over here on the right-hand side. And in this situation, this is a document that I wrote up, but I would like Copilot to help me review it. Review this document and provide suggestions for improvement. I'll go ahead and hit Send. All right, and Copilot has provided a list of strengths, engaging introductions, clear structure, comprehensive coverage, etc. But here I've been given suggestions for improvement. Add specific examples and details, clarify unique selling points, etc. So this is a nice thinking partner to help me improve this document. All right, I'm going to start a new chat here. So I'll go to the top, click on Start a New Chat. And this time I'm going to ask it to summarize the entire document in a condensed bullet list. Summarize this document in 5 bullet points. Send. All right, and boom shakalaka, We have a condensed summary of this document in 5 bullets. This is so nice to save you time to get a quick summary of a long document. Now, another thing I want to call out, on the page, you'll notice the magic pencil. This is also Copilot. And so you can do things like select a paragraph in your document, and then you can click on the Copilot icon here, and you can do things like have this rewritten, structure and refine, keep writing this, make shorter, make formal, etc. And so let's try this out. I'm going to go ahead and do an auto rewrite. Okay, and here's a nice rewrite of that paragraph. If I like it, I can go ahead and click replace to replace the original text. I can insert it below the original text, or I can go ahead and regenerate to get another version of the paragraph. Up here at the top, you'll notice that they've actually created 3 versions. This is one of 3, so I can click here, version 2 of 3, and version 3 of 3. So I can read through all 3 of these options, and I like this second one, so I'll go ahead and click replace, and now that's been updated. All right, and that is how you can leverage Copilot within your Word documents. Let me know your thoughts and how you might use this in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.